Loosening the first plank now. There, it's coming free. Okay, excavator, lift the wood gently. Oh, look at that, so precise. Yay! We did it! The concrete is ready. Okay, let's move this plank. Wow, look at that smooth concrete. Keep digging, excavator. Time to finish the bridge. Wow, look at that! We did it! Wow, that excavator really moves the mud fast. Now for the fun part, smoothing this rough edge. Perfect, ready for the next step. Time to smooth the bridge! Look at that smooth surface. Almost done. Perfect. Wow, look at all that mud. Up it goes. Dump it on the bridge. Yay, almost done. Wow, look at all that dirt. Keep going, make the ramp smooth. Perfect. Now for the next scoop. Let's flatten this ramp, excavator. Yes, press it down nice and flat. Wow, look at that pattern. Perfect for the bridge. Good job. Time to spread the gravel. Almost there. Done. Time to build a bridge. Let's clear this mud away. Almost done. It's looking great. Yay, all finished. Let's build this bridge. Keep digging, excavator. Almost there. One more scoop. Yay, the bridge is finished. Look at the water flowing so nicely now. These spots need to go. Now for the excavator. Time to build the bridge. Almost done. Time to build. Let's clear this mess. Go, excavator, scoop it up. Yay, building the bridge. Wow, a neat pile and a finished bridge. We did it. Hooray! Time to dig and build. Let's test the new bridge. Here comes the tractor. It works great. Time to get this excavator moving. Carefully now, onto the concrete bridge. Wow, my excavator is ready to cross. Look at it go, so steady. Yay, we made it across. That was so much fun. Let's build this bridge. Yes, more mud here. It's done, now for the test. Yay, it works. All done. Time for the test. Feels solid. Pat, pat, pat. Perfect. Now, let's see that texture up close. Time to build. Let's go. Scoop and dump, neat and tidy. Now the other side. Almost done. Yay, the pathway is finished. Time to build a bridge. Let's get this mud over to the concrete bridge. Yay, the bridge is done, and the plants look great. Wow, look at this bridge. I built it. Time to check the other side. So many tools. What a great build. All done. This is the best. Time to build a bridge. Let's clear this mud. All done. It's perfect. Time to build a bridge. Let's scoop some mud. Dump it where? Yay! One more scoop!